Visit the highest waterfall in West Africa, the 10 best things to do in Ghana. About a 4-hour drive from Accra, Wli Waterfall, also called Agumatsa Waterfall, is truly a sight to behold. At 262 feet, 80 meters, it's the highest waterfall in West Africa, enticing visitors with dramatic views from its easier 1.5-hour hike to the lower falls and challenging 4-hour hike to the upper falls. Go with a guide to find out more about the history and culture of the area's indigenous people. While the falls are a top attraction all year long, seasonal rains make them even more impressive April through October.